Hi there. I'd like to tell you a little bit about how tickets payments work at Oveit and what are the edge cases, the exceptions when they actually don't work. So, what happens is whenever someone adds a ticket to their cart, their information is saved in the backend as a pending order, which you can see in the pending orders section on the reports orders, and the visitor is actually taken to the payment processor. Depending on your case, the payment processor might be Stripe or PayPal or Visa or one of your local payment processors such as PhonePe or MobilePay. In the case that the customer doesn't want to abandon their payments, they're taken to a page that allows them to enter their credit card details or other relevant information. What we send across to the payment processor is the pricing information, how much money should they charge, what is the key information about the customer, and what is the order that should be confirmed once the payment is processed. So once the customer adds all of the relevant information, the payment processor sends us back the information regarding the order, whether it has been confirmed or not. Usually that is pretty fast. It's usually a matter of seconds or minutes. What the payment processor sends us back is a confirmation or the order information or all of those, so we know exactly what is the order that we should update as confirmed paid. In some cases, the payment processor might take a little bit longer to confirm the payment. So that's why, depending on the payment processor that you use, we will be listening to a confirmation from payments of about 6 to 24 hours, depending on the payment processor. Now, if everything is okay, the customer sees a order complete page and you get a confirmation in the backend. But in some cases, the information takes too long or is not sent. The usual case when the confirmation is not sent is that the customer has actually stopped buying your tickets. But in some cases, it takes a little longer. It might be a case of suspected fraud. It might be a case of the payment processor having to look a little bit deeper into the transaction, probably because of local regulations. And in that case, if the confirmation arrives later than the 6 to 24 hours that we have set for each payment processor, the order will not be confirmed. In that case, you will get the payment, but the customer will not get the order confirmation and they will not get the tickets. So what do we do then? Well, there's 4 steps you need to take. Your payment has been confirmed, so the customer has actually purchased from you. So what we recommend is create a 100% discount voucher so they can actually claim their tickets, apply it to the ticket, send a deep link to that customer so they can claim their own tickets, and send a separate invoice from an external system. So how do we do that? In your voucher section under Oveit, you're going to see that under events, vouchers, you have an option to create vouchers. So in this case, I've actually created a voucher called 100% that has a discount of 100%. It's active indefinitely, but it's only applied to one of the event and one specific ticket. In this case, it would be the ticket your customer tried to purchase. So what we do then is we copy the code, which is generated here under discount codes. So let's just copy it. By the way, make sure to set it for 1 maximum uses so your customer doesn't purchase or doesn't get more than just the ticket that you've selected for them. And go to your payment page on Oveit, and under code, copy and paste the code, apply it, and as you can see here, the general access is now free, and you have a link here called share code link. Once you press it, the link is copied to your clipboard and you can paste it in an email to your customer so they can claim their free ticket. Now, as a side note, they can only claim one. As you can see, once I press more than the number of allotted tickets, it lets me know that the code cannot be applied to the number of tickets you selected, right? So the customer can only get their own ticket or the quantity of tickets that you select for them. And in a nutshell, this is everything that you need to do. Thank you.